Hi folks, Charles here from U.com. For the last few months, our team has been hard at work on building out our new advanced research and reasoning capabilities, and I'd like to show you how they work. These new capabilities are built into our newly upgraded research agent, enabling it to develop comprehensive reports based on a combination of real-time web information and the files and sources that you select through our advanced source controls. If you'd like to learn more about our advanced source controls, check out the video on that in the upper right-hand corner. Now, when you ask Research Agent a question, it will reason about it, consider your selected sources, and develop a workflow for the task, breaking it down into different steps. For each research objective in this workflow, a report is developed for your review, including up to 20 sources. In total, up to 10 research objectives and 200 sources may be reviewed as part of this workflow. Once all of the research objectives have been accomplished, a metasynthesis is performed to generate your final result. Remember how in school your teachers always ask you to show your work? Well, this is an AI that shows its work. Perfect if you want to check its sources or dive in deeper yourself. And one more thing. A lot of you Research Agent fans have been asking us, why can't you develop custom agents on top of Research Agent? Well, now you can. Every custom agent now includes an Enable Advanced Research and Reasoning checkbox. Ticking this checkbox transforms any custom agent into a custom advanced research and reasoning agent, using all the capabilities of our upgraded Research Agent, but with your agent's customized sources and instructions. Please go try these new features out and let us know what you think. We hope this will help to take you to a new level of productivity with U.com.